This has got to be the biggest patchwork quilt dough repair. I mean, I've got holes there, I've got a repair, twice repair, that's not properly repaired, and this is super bad. But I'm going to give it a go because I'm not going to waste my dough and see how it goes, because I hate wasting dough. So I was going to cook chicken, that chicken, but I think I might just do a nice plain pizza with this in case I ruin it. Or what should I do? Shall I risk it? Ooh, shall I risk putting toppings on this dodgy dough pizza? I'm going to put the tomato sauce on, and if that goes pear-shaped, at that point I'll know it's going to go wrong. Okay, let's do it. This is I'll know at this point now when this goes on. If I can't wiggle it well after the tomato sauce goes on, I think the toppings will have to be kept to a minimum. That's what I do. If I've got a dodgy dough, I kind of don't put on many toppings, keep it as light as possible. Let's wiggle this and see. Okay, I'm definitely going to put cheese on. It's going on. Hey, it's alright. And these are going to really weigh it down. Oh, it's still moving. This is ready. Come on, let's do this. Let's get this in. But it's still wiggling, and the oven is on full flame, and it's 430 degrees Celsius in the middle of the stone. So I'm going to go ahead with this, and it might get a bit semolina-y burnt on the base, but I have to take that. Let's get this in. It's the first turn, that's the crucial one. Will it stick before or during my first turn? This is the one where every single pizza I've ruined in every single pizza oven that I've got has always gone down on the first turn. Right. Whoa. It's okay. The base really is a patchwork quilt of prodding together. There was massive holes in it. I don't know how on earth it's managed to support all of this with the toppings and the tomato sauce and the chicken the way it was. It's incredible, really. Dough is incredible if you think about it, how strong it is and so soft as well. Done. Let me know in the comments below if it's the first turn on your pizza cook where it all goes wrong, if it's going to go wrong. Every time with me, it's just been the first. If you have got a holy dough like that, it's worth just doing what I did and sort of filling the gaps, trying to seal it. It looks bad, I mean it looks like a patchwork quilt. Got a good base cook there. Oh, and my patchwork quilt, can you see? Oh, this is the piece with the major like repair job. There. That's not bad. It doesn't look too bad, but that is where it could have gone wrong. That little hole there. You can see the tomato sauce through it. Amazing that it held. My dough. Considering I didn't cook it for that long, feels really crunchy. I'm going to try that bit. Nice base. Nice colour base. There. This is a super tasty pizza. So peri peri chicken. My tip of the day then is don't give up on your dough, but you can keep going and keep going, because if you keep patching and just prod the hole up and stick it, re-stick it back and overlap it with your finger, it's going to be okay. Just gotta, it doesn't look good, but if you want to make a pizza that will look good at the end and taste really nice, then I think, you know, people are going to not, you can look past those. I just don't like wasting dough, and sometimes they just don't go right, or they're a bit, you know, if they don't go right, or they're a bit sticky or whatever, or holy, doesn't matter, you can always fix it. Dough is amazingly pliable and also very forgiving. It's okay, it will work. Sometimes it doesn't. So if you test it every time to see if it wiggles on your peel, then you're going to be okay. Test as you go along like I did. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed it. Smash the like button if you did too. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.